Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I am Anisha L, and today's black business is TJ's Custom Creations. It's a business that I've supported several times, and today they sent me a package. And I don't really know exactly what's in it, but let's get into it. I'm excited to see what goodies I have in here. Make sure I don't cut my merchandise. Ooh, one shirt. Two shirts, three shirts, four shirts. Ooh. Alright, alright. Let's see what we have. Ooh, a royal blue, love over hate. Ooh, and the quality is nice. It's soft. So pretty. Ooh, and a black. Soul to soul. Ooh, I can't wait to put these on. Okay. Ooh. A branded shirt from TJ's Custom Creations. This is beautiful. Your ideas made reality. TJ's Custom Creations. In a Hustle University. I can't wait to put these on. These shirts are very nice. Glitter, white glitter. I must say, the camera does these t-shirts no justice. They are absolutely beautiful in person. Thank you, TJ's Custom Creations, for these beautiful, beautiful t-shirts. Let's say you're on someone's website, you're looking at some merchandise to purchase, and you pick out something that you really like, and then you get it in the mail, and you're expecting to wear it like a lot, you know, more than one time. You know, you want to style it and just all different type of things. And let's say the material of the shirt isn't of good quality, like when the design is popping, but the shirt feels like newspaper against your skin. It's nothing worse than having a beautiful design on some trash material. So I am so happy that TJ's Custom Creations did not let me down. The quality of their shirts is nice. It's soft. And the design is popping. Even their logo tee is on a nice quality shirt. And the design is nice. I can't wait to style this stuff, you hear me? Hustler University. TJ's Custom Creations is on Instagram. They do some beautiful, beautiful custom work. So I will be leaving their information down below. You should check them out. You will not be disappointed. If you like what you see, hit the like button, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. No,